Hello, everybody. How are you all doing? I thought that maybe today we'll just take it a little bit slower and just relax and enjoy creating together. So we're going to pop in over at Feely's house and see what's going on. I will not be jabbering on as much as I do in some videos. Most of the things that I'm creating today are pretty self-explanatory. However, I feel like sometimes we just need to slow it down and be still and then just enjoy the moment of creating. Feely is giving it a go at painting this cotton spun spider. So, in case you haven't guessed, Feely is making some preparations for Halloween. And of course, I mustn't forget his forest witch friend is also helping him. And I would like to announce her name. Her name is Fern. Thank you so much for all of you who voted over on the community post. The name is perfect and I think it certainly fits her. Thanks again. Well, this looks a bit odd, but as some of you may have learned already, I will just about find anything or use anything for a tool to help me create. I am certainly sure I'm not alone in that, and that there's many of us out there that use strange or odd things to help us create. And I know we would love to hear what some strange tools that any of you all have used. Also, always making a mess. As you can see, some of these fun Halloween or fall things that we're making, even though I am making them for Feely's house, these would be great little ideas for you to have a little something, little extra something fun to put at your house for your fall or Halloween festivities. I often always think of pies being made in the fall or in November. So that reminds me that in November we are going to be doing Christmas themed projects, and we have 2 doll sets that we'll be working on. They will be needle felted and it will be from beginning to finish. It will be of a doll set of Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus and a doll set of 2 Christmas elves. There will be sewing, needle felting, probably some painting, some gluing. There will be all sorts of things, but I'll take you from the beginning to the end. Can't wait to make those dolls with you. So remember, that starts in November, just around the corner. Feely and Fern really know how to deck it out for Halloween. Look at their little boo ghosties. I hope you've had fun creating with us today. I certainly have. I love doing it. And I hope this has given you some ideas maybe for your own dolls or a dollhouse that you're making, or even something for your own tabletop at home for your fall or Halloween festivities. May your Halloween be spooktacular, and thanks so much, and I'll see you soon.